Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall, and I want to say respect to each and every one. Now, this is another thing again, viewers and subscribers, right? Some time ago, I posted a video about a man that claimed that he got a ticket because of the address that is on his driver's license. Now, I have an audio of the man saying that he feels targeted by police officers due to the video that he did where he got a ticket by a police officer. And he said that he fears for his life due to something that had happened when another police officer had approached him. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I just tell you based on what I understand from what he had said, and I'm going to play this audio for you, my viewers and subscribers, right about now. Alright, and you don't know, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Seriousskilla. Wanna big up on yourself. Here is the audio. Take a listen and observe.
Good morning world, good morning family, good morning Facebook, good morning everyone. This is yours truly, Dr. Rossman, the MC Guru, talking to you live, you know, and I just want to ask for your support and this one. And you know, I'm a fun-loving person. I really don't try to get involved in certain things. I am a law-abiding citizen. I am not one to go around and make trouble and cause problem. You know, I just want to live my life and live my life peacefully and just to be there with my family. As you see right now, I have my young son, 4 weeks old, and I'm nervous. I'm scared. I'm scared for him and my other son. I'm scared for my wife and my family right now, based on what has happened. You all see that I did a video about a policeman who gave me a ticket about a license, which is illegal because of my address and what happened. Due to the fact that I did that video, I have now become a target, and police officers are now taking set on me. Right now, I am in fear of my life. I fear for my family life. I fear for my young son's life. And I'm asking you guys to help me by broadcasting this video so I can get closure to the case. I work for the government. I am a psychiatric nursing aide at the Savlamore Public General Hospital. And I'm playing. Right now, as I'm speaking, I feel nervous and I'm shaking. And I want to live in peace. I am not one to go around and make trouble or cause any problem. I am not that type of person. So, please, I'm asking you guys just to broadcast this video so the public and the wider world could see it and be aware of what is going on. You already saw the other video, and this is what has happened. Other police officer, I won't call his name now, but a police officer at the Rumble police station has taken Tuesday. I was on my way to license my car, change over the license of my car from the other one that you saw I got in the video, because I purchased that one. And while I was on my way to do it, he actually stopped me illegally. He stopped me illegally. He searched my car illegally. He charged his gun at me and my head, and I felt at that point I was going to die. I literally peed myself, because as the first, I was never been in a situation like that. I peed myself right there. I was nervous. I feared for my life. I felt like I was going to die, and I didn't know that I was going to be standing here this morning to have my son see I'm here in my arm. Please make this video go viral. I have to get the message out. This is the only support, because they are against me for something, for my own right, and defending myself and standing up as a citizen of this country. I'm nervous. Right now, I'm having sleepless night. I'm walking and looking behind me. I'm having sleep apnea. I can't sleep. I'm waking up in the middle of the night. I'm just waking up. I can't sleep. I can't work. I work with mental case, and I've never felt this scared in my life. I can't work properly. Now I'm taking time off. I have to be doing counseling session. I don't feel comfortable. I can't be alone. No, I can't. I can't sleep in the dark anymore because of how traumatized emotionally I am shaken up. And I'm asking you guys to make this go public. It It shouldn't be that because you stand up for your right, then persons are going to use it against me. Then the police officer stopped me. The first thing he did when he recognized me, he said, Rasta boy, you feel like you have a video me like how you video my friend. And he went ahead and took my phone off my phone case, off my side. He ripped my phone up, he broke my phone apart and took out the battery and said that you can't video me boy. Yeah? And that is how he deal with me with the gun at my face. I felt weak, my knees. I cannot sleep, I'm having flashes. I have to be taking medication now. And I work in mental case and please I'm asking you to make this go viral. I have a court date on the 21st of December and I'm asking you guys to support me. This is the second court date. To just accompany me to court. Help to prove to the judge that I am a law-abiding citizen and I do not involve in criminal activity or anything, and I want you guys to help me. Please just broadcast this video, make it go viral again so that the world can see what is going on when you stand up for your right as a citizen of Jamaica, as a born citizen of Jamaica, a law-abiding citizen. This is what is happening to me. I work for the government and the officer work for the government. We are both from the same entity. We should work and live as one, and I want this to become we want to come to amicable solution. I want peace with that officer or every officer because I am that type of person. Thank you, Facebook, for your support. I'm sorry, I'm here. Please help save my family.